Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to add video gallery to Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Wix Editor and now click on these apps icon here and search here Wix Pro. So search here Wix Pro Gallery and you will get this Wix Pro Gallery here. So click on it and click on open. And now click on manage media. And now click on add media and click on video. Now you can upload video or you can select YouTube, Vimeo. Right now I'm going to selecting YouTube. And now here you have to paste URL from YouTube or Vimeo. So I'm going to pasting my YouTube playlist link here, then clicking on add video and clicking on done. And here you can see the video has been added, and I'm again selecting this media and clicking on manage media and clicking on add media, video, YouTube, and I'm pasting the video link here, add video, done. And here you can see the video has been added. So you have to add one by one video to your gallery. So this is how we can add video gallery in Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.